Okay, I was alerted of what was happening out front. My poor dog's in the garage because she's scared. Look at that, everybody. There's a river out in front of my house. Look at that center piece in that little light piece in the middle. That's the only part of the street exposed. There, it's almost all covered. And I have to go get my son and my daughter from school right now. Look, if you look over there, that van's tires are totally underwater. Crazy. Man, crazy thunder. Look at that van. Look at my poor dog, you scared? Are you scared, Lexi? The water's not gonna come up here. Hopefully not. Okay, everybody, gotta get my son. Crap, I gotta go in that water.